All right, guys, we're going to talk about rolling here. Remember what we did back on February 11th. We actually opened a covered call. My son owns the shares. If you remember what we did, we bought 100 shares. We had some extra cash flow. In fact, I gave you that write-up. And when we did this original trade, that's exactly what I mentioned. I said the market has seemed to calm down. We're going to go ahead and use another 100 shares. So he goes out and he buys 100 shares. We end up getting involved on February 11th. This was going to be what looks to be a 2-week trade. So we're just going to let the stock market do its thing, and hopefully we can get out of the trade where we make money. I want you to take a look at where the stock was trading. It was trading at 50.32 when we placed this trade. I'm going to show you the chart here. We use the 51 strike. We get $1.41. Look at this. It turns out it's 2 contracts. So we're going to make a decent amount of premium with this trade if our shares are taken away. But if they're not, then what we're going to do is we're going to roll this option. So let's get to that point right there. Let's take a look at the charts at the time of us doing this. These red dots here indicate the length of this trade. So when we place this, notice the TQs somewhere during this day, we go ahead and buy them. Like I just showed you, we bought them at 50 and change. We go ahead and write the 51 covered call. So it must have been trading somewhere around here. We do the at the money. For the most part, at the money, right? We buy the shares at 50 and change, and we go ahead and write the next strike out. This is going to be one of those trades where we're looking to make max premium profit, and that was going to be $1.41. If we have 2 contracts here, this is sweet, right? Because 2 contracts going to cost us a little bit over $10,000, and we're going to go ahead and be able to make some decent premium. And you could see our projected gain is going to be about $300. And I'll tell you, I like this trade. It's a nice trade setup for any member that would have gotten this trade. In fact, I always like to include for anyone that's using small accounts, right? This is a small account. So this is what you would have made if you have a small ball account. Now, in this case, my son is using about $10,000 in change. And he has all of his money tied up in a couple other plays. So this would be a great opportunity for somebody that only had $5,000 or $10,000. This is beautiful because what we're focused on is the cash-on-cash percentage gain. Look, whether you have 5K or 50K or 500K, it's all about the cash-on-cash percentage gain. Because if you're not effectively using your money to generate as much cash-on-cash percentage gain, then you're doing it wrong. I mean, unless you're using big money to make big premium and all it matters is the money you make, well, hey, be as inefficient as you want. I'm not at that point, and neither is my son. So every trade is going to be cash on cash, knocking it down. So back to the trade. This is going to be about a 2-week trade. Now, look at where it's trading. This is why we got involved. It's trading basically at the middle of its range. Here's your Keltner channel. And I love the Keltner channel. This would be low in the Keltner channel range. This would be high. And this would be the mid. This is a sandbox. You don't have to make this more complicated than it is. Take a look at any stock in their current range. That is their sandbox. Identify the bottom of the range, and that's where you want to plant your cash secure put, or if you're going to buy the shares, do an in-the-money covered call. Now, in this case, I actually thought because of this sell-off, we're going to dip here and head higher. Now, it didn't do that, so it was a darn good thing we didn't get involved up here. We waited for it to come down here. Again, middle of the range. This being the bottom of the range. So even if we get involved right here, even if it falls to the bottom of the range, this is the NASDAQ we're trading, right? So this isn't going to go from 50 to 20. This is going to trade in its range, and there's your bottom. So my thought was that this was going to trade in this beautiful range, this beautiful sandbox. So we went ahead and planted our flag right there. Now, in hindsight, I would have bought the shares and we'd have done something down here. For whatever reason, I went for the one strike out of the money, the 51, and here we are. Of course, this is where the trade is going to get rolled. Why is it going to get rolled? Because as the stock falls, the premium falls, where that $1.41 we collected has now shriveled up because the likelihood of it finishing at 51 is unlikely. Well, we're going to go ahead and roll this option. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we ended up doing, because this is the original trade. This is the trade the members got. And if they wanted to take the trade, they could. They knew I was in it, but more importantly, they knew I put my son in it. So I'm telling you what, we're going to manage this trade and we're going to make this trade green. So what do? We go ahead and we close that trade, right? We close that trade and we're going to roll it. So here's what we end up doing. We end up buying that option back for 2 cents. So we got $1.41. The stock falls, like I showed you. That option falls to 2 cents. We buy that back. That's an easy buyback. Forget that right there. Easy buyback. Look at what we pick up. That is incredible. So now it's time to go ahead and roll this option. We still have the shares, so let's go ahead and roll it. And this is the new rolled trade. Take a look at where it's trading right here. 49.30. We still use our cost basis of 51. We end up picking up possibly an additional $396 or 2.9%. So this is what we pick up when we roll the trade. You already saw what we made on the trade because we bought the option back for 2 pennies. We go ahead when it's trading at 49.30, we go ahead and write that 51 covered call. And of course, now the trade is on, and all we're hoping for is that the stock market, which has fallen, moves higher and we get out at 51. We get out at 51, man, we are making $296 on this trade and $278 on the last trade, rolling this bad boy. And let's take a look at the time frame. Can you see the time frame? This is 2 weeks as well. The first trade was 2 weeks. This is a month. We are collecting on $10,000. Let's take a look at this. We're going to go ahead. Remember, we bought the shares, I think, at 50.52 times 200. Right? So that's going to be our investment, $10,100. Now, you know we made $278 plus $296. That's going to be $574. Let's go ahead and divide that by $10,100. That's going to be 5.6%. Now look, if I got those numbers wrong, don't hurt me in the comments. I mean, I'm playing without a net here. I have no notes, so sometimes my numbers can be rounded off. Hey, look, the reason I show you this video is this. Of course, I want you to join the membership. There's a 1 free month offer. You'd have gotten this trade, and you'll get the next trade. And I did 51 trades in February, knocking down $65,000 in selling premium profits, closed trades. I could show you those, but we don't have enough time. This is a rolling video. I just want to show you how we can go ahead and buy shares. The stock, absolutely. This, by all measures, would be a bad trade, right? This falls all the way down to damn near 46. That's near $4 on the downside. You're feeling kicked in the ribs. But because we had time on our side, remember, we sell time, we let this percolate, and ultimately, we buy that option back, and basically, we just put on another covered call, as if our cost basis was where it was trading, 49x. We can still get off that nice 51 covered call, making almost $540 for 1 month. Tell you what, at the end of the day, that turns out to be 5.6% cash on cash. We used the 3X Leverage ETF to the NASDAQ. Volatility does not equal risk because we're using the NASDAQ. If you want all of my trades, you want to see them in and out, you want to see exclusive videos, you got to be a member. Down in the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.